Okay, so how would you do this? 9 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 5. Any ideas? Well, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change that 9 into 3 squared. So we end up with 3 squared to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 5. The reason I did that was because I want these base numbers to be the same. It seems like I've made it more complicated because I've now got a number raised to a power raised to another power, but we can get around that. There's a rule that says if you have a number and it's raised to a power and all of that is raised to another power, then that is the same as that same number raised to those two powers multiplied together. We can now simplify that first term because we can say that that is 3 to the power of 2 times 2x minus 1, and this stays the same. Now, why did I want those two base numbers to be the same? Well, that's because if you have a number raised to a power and that equals the same number raised to a different power, then the powers must be the same. So A must equal B. In that case, as this is 3 and this is 3, it means that this term must equal this term. So we can write that as 2 lots of 2x minus 1 must equal 3x plus 5. So expanding out, we get 4x minus 2 equals 3x plus 5. And rearranging, we get x equals 7. And that's the answer. So that's a good technique for doing these sorts of problems. If you can get the base to be the same, you can just set the exponents equal to each other. Okay, so the answer was A, 7. Hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe to see more.